What's going on, guys? It's been a long time since I made a video. Just want to do a quick little rundown of my little workshop I got going on here. Right here I got my K40. Pretty much just use it for engraving because the cutting power is not too good. I'm working on adding an air assist. As you can see, I put the nozzle there. I just haven't got the silicone tubing just yet. Still working on that. Nothing special here. I just can slide stuff in there right there. My buddy did that. Here's where I do the designing, software, yada yada yada. And here is my 60-watt laser cutter from China. Don't know what that says, but okay. Yeah. If you plan to get one of these, the best advice I could give you is to get a Ruida controller. This is not a Ruida controller, and I felt huge remorse and regret by those decisions that I made. I may actually upgrade this controller to a Ruida, but if you get a Ruida, you're gonna save a lot of headache. So I would recommend that. This thing cuts really well. I've been using 3mm birch plywood. Haven't had an issue out of it. Got this CW5000 chiller. Works really well. Yeah. Under here, there's nothing really. Over here, you can raise and lower the bed, turn the laser on, turn the power on. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Want to give a quick shout out and a huge thank you to a guy by the name of Matt's Workshop. Without him, I would be in a serious bind right now. So I appreciate it, Matt. You head over to his YouTube channel, Matt's Workshop. There's a lot of laser education and knowledge to be absorbed. He actually has a video that shows you how to set one of these up start to finish. A lot of software tutorials, a lot of DIYs, ideas, the whole shebang. Here's something I worked on. I made this for my wife. It's like a little stand to hang your earrings on it. So yeah. 3mm birch, it works really well. I like it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all there is to it.